Is your iPhone battery draining too fast? Let me show you the best settings and hidden tricks to make your battery last much longer. It works for all iPhones, especially newer ones like iPhone 13, 14, 15 and 16, right, etc. Works with latest iOS versions like iOS 18, 18.3, 18.4, right? Now the first tip for today is turn on low power mode. Now for this, go to the settings, battery, low power mode, and turn it on. It reduces background activities like mail fetch, downloads, and visual effects. This can be done also through the control center. Just swipe down and then turn on low power mode. Now the second tip for today is manage background app refresh. Now for this, go to settings, general, and background app refresh. Turn it off or Wi-Fi only. Apps won't waste battery in the background. The third one is location services, use while using only. For this, go to the settings, privacy and security, right, and location services. We've got 2 points here. Set apps to while using the app instead of always, right? And for apps you don't use, turn location off. Fourth one is auto lock sooner. For this, go to the settings, display and brightness, auto lock, and set to 30 seconds or 1 minute. For this one, your screen is one of the biggest battery drains you have to remember. Now, tip number 5, disable unused widgets, right? So swipe to your widget page, scroll down, edit, remove widgets you don't need. Widgets constantly refresh data and drain battery. Now, number 6 is reduce motion and animations. Now, for this one also you got to go to settings, accessibility, motion, and then reduce motion, right? And after that, turn it on. This will disable fancy animations that use extra power. Tip number 7 for today is use dark mode. For this one as well, go to settings, display and brightness, and dark mode, and turn it on. Especially for iPhones with OLED screens, iPhone X and later saves a lot of power. For this also, guys, you can reach by opening or scrolling down the screen and opening control center, right? And then easily you can use the dark mode. Now tip number 8 is disable push email. Now for this one as well, go to settings, mail, accounts, fetch new data, set to manual, or fetch every 30 minutes. Constant email fetching kills battery, right? Number 9, turn off Siri always listening, right? And for this one, go to settings, Siri and search, turn off listen for Hey Siri. Siri always listening means extra battery use. Tip number 10, find and delete battery draining apps. For this, go to the settings and then battery and check which apps use the most battery. If you see weird apps using too much, delete or restrict them. Tip number 11, update iOS to latest version. Apple often releases battery optimizations in updates, and for this one, go to settings as you know, guys, and general and software update. Tip number 12, optimize charging. Okay, for this one as well, go to settings, battery health and charging, turn on, right? What does it mean, optimize battery charging? It means it learns your charging habits and reduces battery aging. Now, for the bonus advanced tips, all right? Bonus number 1, turn off 5G when not needed. If you have 5G, go to settings, cellular data options, and voice and data, switch to LTE if 5G isn't needed. 5G uses more battery, of course. And bonus number 2, lower brightness manually. Now, keep screen brightness as low as comfortable, right? Or use auto brightness under, of course, settings, accessibility, display and text size, and auto brightness. Now, of course, you can do this as well through, control center. Bonus number 3, remove live wallpapers. Live wallpapers, we can say, look cool, but use more battery. Use still images instead. Now try these tips today and let me know in the comments if your battery life improves, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tricks. See you next time. Bye bye.